आपका इंतज़ार है, आइए आपका इंतज़ार है. Hello, welcome to Taylor Made Stories with a very so cute episode with me, Neeti Taylor Baba. So let's begin. So आज आपकी रिक्वेस्ट मैंने सुन ली है. You wanted a होम टूर. अब होम टूर तो नहीं हो पाएगा, इतना बड़ा घर नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने जो अपना ड्राइंग रूम बहुत प्यार से सजाया है तो मैं आज आपको दिखाऊंगी. सो आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड जज मी ऑल यू वांट टू, बट मैंने बहुत मेहनत से अपना ये घर, हमने बहुत अपने मेहनत से ये घर सजाया है. So if a lot of people don't know, so we are staying in the army houses that we get. So I hope you like what I'm going to show you, what I've done out of the house that they gave us to what they've, like what I made it now. So let's start with दारू. दारू बदनाम कर गई, नाम कर गई, credits चली जाएंगे. Okay, so this is our bar, which is very, and we have sanitizer also in it. So this is our bar, which is very sweet and sophisticated. And these things, आप please close आइए. और ये beer, these are the different kinds of beers around the world. Then you have shots. Then we have wine from all around the world. And the bar is open, guys. And this is our fun zone. So basically these are our games that we have, and I have lots of games, and I have like dirty games that we play, like questions जो अपने close friends के साथ ही करते हैं ना. I'm like, why did I even get it here? Because you can't play with you can't play these games with any of them. Yeah, like you need your close buddies, to get to know like how drunk you got. Like, so these are I don't know this. So these are all the glasses that we have apparently collected. It's most of his. I only have this one from Belgium. So yeah, otherwise this is okay. Forget this part. Okay, come to this corner. Oh, you can't miss out the bar stools. So we got them made from Gujarat only. We bought it. Okay. So yeah, they're damn cool. They're like cycles. So it's amazing. So we come to this part. My father-in-law gifted us this painting, which I love, from Home Center. Okay, and this is something which is very pretty. This somebody gave me for Diwali, and ये मैंने खरीदा है online. And ये भी is just giving a very pretty look. And this is also bought from the same store that we bought our entire house from. Okay, so हमने जो कोविड वेडिंग की है उसके जो पैसा हमने सेव किया है उससे हमने बहुत सारा नहीं, एक्चुअली शगुन में जो मिला था, वी वॉट ऑल आर फर्नीचर फ्रॉम दैट. सो दिस इज़ आर जहाँ हमारे ग्लासेस रखते हैं. मैं नहीं दिखाने वाली बिकॉज इतनी मेहनत की काम मैं नहीं करने वाली. ओके, सो कमिंग टू दिस इज़ ऑल्सो बॉट फ्रॉम समवेयर ऑनलाइन वी वेंट, बट दे हैव अ स्टोर इन गुजरात. आई वोंट गिव यू द नेम बिकॉज we bought this, but it took too much time. So these have stools also like this. So it's damn like flexy, and a lot of people come, kids come, so they can always sit on this. So there are 4 of them. So 2 here, 2 there. So they're damn nice. See, like you can see. And I have no idea, but everything just happened to be this color. Please come आगे. So this is my very pretty collection that I bought. This is from some Ahmedabad shop. This is a gift that I got, but this is matching the color palette of mine. So I've put it all together. This candle also I just recently got gifted. So idhar dal diya maine just to set it prettily. So this is my center table. Okay, so come. Okay, so I'm not going to miss this corner out just because it's not that great. But this is... So basically ये हमने NH7 से ख़रीदा था. वो मेरे डम्बेल्स है जो मैं वर्कआउट पे यूज़ करती हूँ. और now these are my sofas. Okay, this is all bought. Everything is bought online. ठीक है. So these sofas basically वो red in color. वो ये फौजी वाले जो sofas देते हैं. So मैंने हमने सिर्फ सोफ़ा और डाइनिंग टेबल और बेड नहीं ख़रीदा, बाकी सब ख़रीदा है. ठीक है. सो द सोफ़ा मैंने अपहोल्स्ट्री कराया है. So basically it was red in color. So I got these covers made. So like you can see, red से हमने white कराया था, फिर ये कराया. So like you can see we stitched them all. So it's looking like damn sexy, no? So I don't know, I saw this online from Amazon, these covers, and I bought them. This is how it looks, and then this is a lamp which I recently bought, and these are face paintings from Africa that we have. I'm not going to miss out the slightest details, okay? These are like the marble coasters, and they're very pretty, like बहुत प्यारे हैं और बहुत भारी भी है. Okay, I'm very excited and very breathless also, but let's do this. So these, you have to come closer to see these 4 men. They're the cutest things ever. बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना सोचो, बुरा ना बोलो. और वो चौथा है कि मैं ऐसे ही बैठूंगा. Then we have the marble chest that we have, and I have a plant over here which is very recently I've got into gardening, and then again this one. I am obsessed with these. So these all are bought online. So this also I forgot to mention, but these are like barrels, you know, like damn cool. Like our furniture pieces are only so nice. जो भी आता है यही बोलता है अरे कहाँ से खरीदा. Even my like in-laws, when they came, they're like, from where you got it? And we always have a lot of meetha, also like toffees, because so फौज में in the army there is ये होता है, एक रूल होता है कि आप बहुत सताते हो एक दूसरे को. So a lot of times in the night, like late night after 12, there are like people coming and troubling you and say, अरे मैम कॉफ़ी बनाना, मैम आलू के पराठे बनाना, मैम, like you know, this is going to trouble you, and it's actually fun. This is like a traditional tradition that goes on since ages. So my mother-in-law keeps telling me about it, and now that I'm experiencing it, it's actually nowadays I'm ready. I've got a coffee maker also. आना है तो आओ. But these are all small things that make your life better. But nothing, not too big, but this is my chotu sa house. But coming to my new love for my palm tree, they we bought this from the nursery right like next to us, and also this is from again online, but yeah, okay, let me sit here and show you. So basically this is from Lay. So Parikshit was he got this. Then we have again the marble. It's just a thing. Now this is from Sri Lanka. He is related to me. Yes, you guys are thinking right. But this is also very cute. We saw it. Mom has also bought. I also bought. So we were like, ये बहुत ही different सा weird सा creature, like monkey. So we got it. So these are the little things that I have at home. Not a very big home to show you कि वो ये क्या है. But this is my drawing room part, because the other part is the dining, and nothing very interesting is here. But I have forgotten few details. तो आइए दिखाती हूँ. Okay. So this is an air purifier. So basically we believe in breathing good air. So that's why we have a Dyson air purifier. It's really good. Then we have all these masks. Like we like all these things. These are all, you know, shopped. So his father was also posted in Africa. So I've also, मेरी बहन भी रहती है, तो हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे उठाई है जो कभी यूज़ नहीं की, but things, yeah. So then I have my party tail का neon sign right over there. Can I switch it on? I'll show it to you guys. Yeah. Then I have this also. This is made of real coconut. It's amazing. My mom-in-law ने gifted me. But इसका ना bulb कहीं नहीं मिल रहा. एक fuse हो गया और कहीं नहीं मिल रहा. But यही है. अगर आपको जानना है कि मैंने curtains कहाँ से लिए हैं, so this is from Amazon. But I had another one, but I put it for wash. So that's why I put this instead. But I like this prettier because it just shows a lot of. It shows a little flower. Then this is bought from Lajpat Nagar. So yeah, this is it, and छोटा सा tour. I hope आपको पसंद आए. बहुत मेहनत से ये घर बनाया है, and I think it's, you know, I always say this, it's what you have and what you make of it. So if you ever saw the house, you would know what it was and what we have made of it. And with this, I'm signing off. I hope you really like this episode. It really means a lot because you know, I'm not someone who likes to show my personal space and everything, but doing it only because it was requested for the longest time. And that's it. Sharam aa rahi hai mere ko bahar. Don't forget to subscribe and do comment. Also, thought for the day is whatever you have, make the most of it and do whatever it takes to make it look beautiful. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, shower all your love, send this video to all the family members out there and all your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to press the like button. Okay, bye. See you.